everyone, Luke here, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I've got an interesting subject. It's a very big part of maritime history, and that is on time balls, or a time ball tower.
Hey, what is that?
Microphone? So to kick things off, what actually is a time ball? Well, a time ball is a remarkable timekeeping device that visually signifies the exact time to sailors, ships and nearby areas. Situated at the top of the tower, the time ball drops precisely at 1 o'clock, allowing seafarers to synchronise their chronometers for an accurate navigation. Accurate timekeeping is essential to determine the longitude at sea. So let's journey back in time to explore the history of time balls here in the United Kingdom. So the first ever time ball was erected in Portsmouth, England. This was in 1829 by its inventor called Robert Wasp. Hopefully I pronounced that right, but the monument revolutionised maritime navigation and brought precision to timekeeping. The popularity of time balls spread rapidly with installation in ports across the entire UK, ensuring standardised time readings across the nation. So let's turn our attention over to the time ball tower here in Deal. This tower stands as a testament to the historical significance of time balls. Established in 1855, the Deal Time Ball Tower has a unique shape that is both architecturally stunning and historically intriguing. So this building was actually designed by someone called Samuel Wyatt. He was a pretty important architect of his time.
Are you secretly eye testing, sir?
So I've got my ticket, but have you ever wondered how a time ball tower actually works? Well, the mechanism behind it is a mixture of precision engineering and some intricate clockwork. So inside the tower we actually have a complex system of gears, weights and levers. So that ensures that the time ball will actually drop accurately every single day at 1 PM. And of course, the signal was often transmitted using telegraph signals, enabling other cities and ports to synchronise their time. The legacy of the time ball towers lives on, reminding us of the crucial role that they played in maritime history, whilst many time ball towers have been lost due to time. Some, like the Deal Time Ball Tower, have carefully been preserved. These towers serve as living monuments, honouring the advancements in timekeeping and navigation. And I suppose there you have it. That is a bit of a captivating journey through time ball towers, from their origins to somewhat the present day, and the UK's history is beautifully intertwined with these remarkable structures, showcasing both scientific innovation and maritime heritage. And if you ever find yourself in Deal, I suppose I'd recommend go pay a visit because it is pretty cool. But I suppose with that being said, that does bring me to the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions or suggestions, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments and I will try my best to answer them all. Anyway guys, I hope you have the most fantastic day and I will see you later.